Hey guys, so I'm like an intermediate disc golf player, but when I was trying to learn some stuff about Anhyzer and Hyzer and stuff, I had trouble finding the videos I was looking for online. I'm primarily a forehand thrower off the tee, so when I was trying to learn that stuff, I couldn't really find the videos I wanted to find on YouTube, so I decided just to put together a short one today. I went out and threw some discs, talked a little bit about stable and overstable, and understable, and then also Hyzer and Anhyzer. So just take a look, and hopefully this can help you out in your game. Hey guys, I'm going to be throwing some disc golf shots today. I have different types of discs, a couple mid-ranges, a couple putters, mostly drivers, a good variation of stable and understable. So come out here, throw some stuff, a little bit on Hyzer, a little bit on Anhyzer, just see what you guys can see here. I'm going to throw a bunch of understables first. I'll throw a Cobra. Should get a nice little S curve here. That was probably about 200, 250 with the mid. Now I'm going to throw a beast, and I'm actually going to throw two beasts in a row, so these two shots should look pretty close to the same. Same flight as that Cobra, just a little further. That actually went about the same distance as the Cobra. I got it a little too high. All these discs have been understable, so when you release them, you want to release them with a little bit of Hyzer. With a little bit of Hyzer, whether that's backhand or forehand. Throw some Hyzer, it should flip up and go pretty flat. Maybe come back a little bit one way. That one was much better. It went further than the Cobra and the other beast that I threw. That was probably 300 to 350, maybe a little bit over 350, I'm not sure. It's pretty close to the target I'm throwing at. Last one, Discraft Avenger SS, another understable disc. I throw it the same way, a little bit of Hyzer. That went probably 300 feet, but didn't probably put quite enough Hyzer on it. Went a little bit left, but still a good shot if I'm playing a hole here. So now I'm going to move to the Overstable. Or stable to overstable. And this is a Vulcan, which actually, if you look at it, it'll say it's understable, but when I throw it, it comes off my hand like an overstable disc. I don't know what that is, but so when I throw an overstable disc, I just put a little Anhyzer on it. Got to just put a little Anhyzer on it. It should flatten out and go pretty straight. Then it'll bite hard to the right. That was probably about 300. That one should go a lot further. That wasn't a great throw. It's a destroyer. It's my favorite disc, but I hope I don't jinx it here. A little bit of Anhyzer. I went about the same as the Vulcan, about 300. Here's a Wraith, a very common starter disc. Fairly overstable, so a little bit of Anhyzer. I'm going to put some height on it so it can do its thing. That's what I should have done on the last two discs too. So far those were all drivers except for the Cobra. Here's a Mako 3. I had to write the name on it because it faded off, but this is fairly stable. A little bit understable, but we'll see how it flies. And then I got a couple putters after that, but Mako 3. A little too much Hyzer. Now on both these putters, one is a dynamic discs judge. One's a Discraft Soft Challenger. I'm just trying to release these flat and straight, that's all this is. Nothing fancy here. Try to get it about 100, 150, a nice approach shot, straight. I don't know if y'all could see that, but that was exactly what I wanted. That one went a tad right of what I wanted, but still not too shabby.